Hello, Logos class and Dr. Haney. I wanted to show you guys something that I thought would be helpful, as I think it is going to be very helpful for me. I know for me, sometimes I fall behind on the reading, and so I'm always wanting to try and find ways that I can stay on top of things a little bit better. So if you look at the syllabus right here, there's a nice, neat little reading schedule. And all of the reading is listed here. And then the links to those things, or the list of those things, is back up here in the syllabus, a little bit higher up, okay? So it's all up here. But I found a lot of times that when I only had 10 minutes or so to get some reading done, I would be a little bit discouraged to jump in, because sometimes I'd go down and I would look at the reading for the week, and I would go, okay, I want to watch this Proctor morphology searching video. Okay, so I'd scroll back up and would try and find it on here, and sometimes that thing wouldn't be there. Like for this Logos resource by Morris Proctor, you have to have that book, or you have to know, hey, it's going to be on Canvas. And so then I'd go log in on Canvas, and by the time my 10 minutes that I had free is up, I haven't even gotten that video up yet. And so I've just been discouraged about getting started. So what I decided to do was take a couple of hours and make something that I could really use. So here's a Word document that I've created. I just made a copy of the reading schedule, except for I took the time to hyperlink every single thing, including the Strauss reading to the Logos book and exact page. So if there's anything that's on Canvas, I made sure to find that, put a link to that. For Dr. Haney's articles, for his Logos tips that's online, I put a hyperlink to that. So even the quick start guide on Logos, if you have Logos 9, the link will work for that. I even put that in there. Okay, this quick start for Logos. So I wanted to share this document with you guys because it might encourage you to jump in to the reading a little bit quicker, or maybe it would even encourage you to go back and do some of the reading that you haven't done yet. But wait, there's more. There's a feature on Logos where you can import a Word document and it will format to Logos. So let me show you that really quick. If you go to Logos and you go into your Tools section, there's something called Personal Books. If you click on that, you can see I've got a bunch of personal books that I've made, but you can add a personal book, type in a name, a little description of it, and you can import that file by clicking Add File. And you can go and find that document that I am sending to you guys, which I have titled Logos. No, what have I titled it? Reading for Logos. So reading.videos.something else for Logos. So you click that and import it. Now, I'm not going to do that because I already did, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. It looks like this. And the cool thing about this is you can open up Logos to this right here, this document, and you can say, hey, we're at April 11th. I've got 5 minutes to read. Here's what I want to do. Bam. Click page 28 and 29, and I have it linked where it'll take you right to that page. As you can see on the right side of my screen, the Biblical Greek Companion for Bible Software. It opens up right to that page. Man, that only took me, 5 minutes to read that article. Awesome. Well, I'm done with that. Let's move on to page 76. Click that. Bam, I'm there. I can read that quick little article, and now in about 10 minutes, I've gotten my reading done instead of needing to hunt around for exactly what the reading is. And I can also use the link. Whoop, is that not working? Ooh, I can see. I need to go back and check this link. Before I send this to you guys, I want to figure out why that one's not working. All the other links should work. I did notice that one's a different color. There's something wrong there. But let's use Dr. Haney's articles. His Logos Helps. Oh, no, that's not his. That's actually the Logos Helps reading. Sorry. But where's Dr. Haney's Logos Tips? That was one of the very first ones. For example. Bam. Just opens it right up to the web page where his article on Logos Tips is there, and then you can just read the section that you need to. So I'm hoping that this is going to save me a lot of time over the next 7 or so class sessions. Wish I took the time to do this earlier, but better late than never. So hopefully this is a blessing to you guys. And Dr. Haney, if you find that this is going to be helpful for future classes, please feel free to use this and bless other students with it as well. All right, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in class. Okay, so I've gone in and I fixed all of the hyperlink issues, and now I want to show you guys from scratch how to build a personal book in your Logos library using this resource so that you can do everything that I've just shown you. What you want to do, here, I want to start a screen recording real quick. Bam, bam. Okay, what you want to do is go into your tools and type in personal books, and then under utilities, personal books, the personal books tool will come up. What you need to do then is do add book and enter a title. Logos course reading and videos. Add the author, Dr. Harry Haney. Give it a date, 2022. Description, links to all resources to the Logos Greek exegesis, did I spell that right? Course. Okay, let's give it a picture. A book cover, huh? Let's see in my desktop if I have what I think I might have, which is a Logos logo. I don't know about that. Let's see. If not, you can just see how you would do that. We'll put in no, I don't want to put in a receipt. How about a little Greek Logos layout thing from a homework assignment we did? Great, put that in there. Cool cover. All right, then you want to do add file. And I've saved it under documents, seminary, Logos class, and I've saved it as reading .videos.logos. So I'm going to open that, and it imported that document, and then all you need to do now is click build book and wait for the magic to happen. Let's see. Does it work? Does it work? All right, it says there's one error, but we're going to see if that error actually shows up at all. So what I want to look for is any links that are dark. If they're dark, it means they're not working. If they're light, it means they're going to work. Like this is going to take me right to the page that I need to be at. Yes, it's looking good so far. It's all looking good. Looking good. Ooh, we're almost to the end. We're in April. And it looks awesome. Let's just see how this would work if you wanted to access this strategy for syntax search article. All right, takes you right to the Logos article right there from Logos. So bam, what you can do right now is just save this as a layout, as named layout, called Logos class reading. Man, and if you have 5 minutes to study, now all you need to do, open that layout, bam, get going. We're going to April 11th. You got a few minutes before class. We're going to start reading about the dative case on page 28. All right, now all for real. See you guys in class.